Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use 40% method in Roblox items. So first you have to simply go to the creator hub, the Roblox creator hub. You can search for it and you can find it, the Roblox creator hub, where you can simply click on start creating and it will check for your Roblox studio. So you have to wait until you download this studio. Simply click on download studio, then here you can see the studio has been downloaded. Now you have to simply click on installer and it will install the Roblox studio. So you have to wait until it download the Roblox studio on your system. Here you can see it has just installed the Roblox studio here. So you have to log in with your login credentials to your Roblox account. Here you can see I have just logged into my account here, so you can start a tour or you can back to home here. Now okay, now from here I'm going to expand it, and here you just need to simply click on this plus icon here, the new experience, where you can sorry, not for that, actually you can cancel it, yes. So not save, actually save or save here. Now you have to go to your marketplace here, so open the studio and let me show you where you can go find it. So you can go to the home here. You have to go to your browser and get back to the Roblox Creator Hub, where you can find the store here. Simply click on store and simply search. Here is browse model section where you can browse for models. So I'm going to search for item buyer 40%. So let's see, here it is. So I'm going to search for it. Here it is, the item buyer 40%, or you can go with this one. So I'm going to prefer this one with the here is Windows 10X Pro. So you can go with it here and you can simply click on get model. So simply click on get model here. So item has been added to your inventory. So you can try it to your studio. You can simply click on try in studio. So here, open Roblox Studio. So it will open the Roblox Studio with that. Here it is. So from here, okay, don't you can include it. I'm going to include that. Here is it is the item buyer here. So you have to simply hold on it and you have to place it in the starter GUI. Here it is, starter GUI. Make sure that you have pasted it in starter GUI, and here got it. And you have to simply click on that, not from here, like this. I'm going to expand this section here a little here. Yes, insert. You have to insert this, okay, and again yeah, I have just insert it, so I'm going to add it here. Now you have to simply click on that item bar here, or here is the item bar. You have to go to the settings and save to Roblox, where you can save this Roblox here. So untitled here, so got it, and yes, it's pretty much okay. Okay, save here, and here is update existing games here, and is successfully added. So from here again you have to go to the settings. Now not this actually, so cancel. I'm going to get that from here. So I'm going to insert that again, the item bar here. Okay, it has already added here, so I'm going to do it from the very beginning. So go to the starter GUI, paste it here and click on game settings. Now save to Roblox, where you can find cancel here. So I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to save it. Now save. So I'm going to save that here, so that it has just successfully saved. So go to game settings here, then from here it's just setting up the server. So you have to wait until it's setting up the server here. So it has just set up the server. So okay, and here we can see there it is. So you can simply click on the game settings here and now go to the security here. Now make sure that you have enabled this studio access to API service and allow third-party sales. Now click on save button here, and from here, now I'm going to play it. Simply click on play and got it. Here you can see, so Roblox automatically has added some language here, so we are going to click on it like this one here, and here it is. So from here you have to wait until it loads something like, let me show you. So sadly the previous one actually not working, so that was, let me show you, that was it. You have to go with this one, the D1-H4 amps. So you have to simply click on it and you have to simply click on try in studio, and it will open up studio. With that, here you can see at the left side navigation panel you can find item buyer 40% method with by this D1-H4 amp. So you have to simply click on insert. I have already inserted it, so that's why I'm going to delete one from here, or you have to simply drag it from here to starter GUI just like before, and you can find this type of interface where you can simply click on the game settings now, and you have to save to Roblox. Now we are going to save it here. Now after saving that, we are going to close it, and it will actually connect it to our gameplay server here. So here it is. So it is connecting the server. Now you have to simply click on the settings again. So I'm going to close that. Now just because of we have already added it, that's why I have just closed it right now. Now from here you have to go to security, follow the same thing, allow HTTP request, sorry for that, not this, actually enable studio access to API service and allow third party sales here. Now you will have to simply click on save button here. Now here we can see it has just saved here, so where you can simply click on this play button here and it will start at play. So where you can simply click on catalog and you have to enter the ID here. So I'm going to enter ID. So I'm going to get a search from here at catalog here. So like this, we are going to search for example this one here, this one here. So if I simply click on it, then we are going to get it in the marketplace, or otherwise we can use this. So actually in app we can find the category ID. We are going to add that here. From here we have go to the marketplace where it is. Let me show you. For example, the marketplace, here it is. So you have to simply click on marketplace here. Now you have to choose an item, for example this item here, or this one actually. So if we go with this item here, so we have just click on it and the URL has been changed, and this is here you can find some numbers. So this is the catalog ID. So you have to copy it and you have to go to your studio and enter your ID here and simply click on buy. Then you can buy it for this with the 30% discount. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.